Alright, so hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you Windows Technical Preview build 146. This is the new release. It came out about 3 days ago. I haven't done a video on it just because I haven't had the time. But here it is. Okay, so let's jump in. Okay, so let's open WinVer, and this is Microsoft Windows version 10.0 build 161. Expires October 1st, 2015. This is the new recycle bin icon. It has been changed from the one in the previous build, 1041, which was the actual release. They did have 1056, which was an ISO leak, but it no longer looks like the one from OS X Yosemite. The modern calendar / clock is now by default. You don't have to go into Regedit anymore. Notifications is now transparent. It takes on the color of your taskbar too, and you now have location, display, media connect, VPN, and a brightness from the notifications dock. I saw somebody in the Windows Insider forum asked about that, and they added that in. The internet system tray is exactly the same except for the network settings, which takes you to control panel, and the Ethernet that says no Ethernet all the time, even when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Battery is exactly the same. The system tray is now transparent, so you can actually see your Windows Defender icon. File Explorer is exactly the same as in previous builds. As you can see, all the folder icons are the same. The drive icons are the same. Nothing has really changed. Yeah, it's all basically the same. Still carrying with some Vista icons, but a lot of modern changes are being made at the time. Store beta is the same. They do have a new video preview, music preview. Spartan is exactly the same as in previous builds. Task view now has a little animation and it's more transparent, but other than that, it's exactly the same. Cortana is now technically bezel-less, if you want to call it, on the taskbar. It has nothing on there, but it's the same except for the new, if it'll load back up, the new let's wait for this. You always gotta wait for her to just make sure you're not trying to ask her anything, which I don't see what the point is. The new, well, I'm not, if it'll actually load it. It's just because of the Bandicam using the microphone. So I guess it's been doing this every time I've tried to access Cortana while using Bandicam. It just uses the microphone, so it sort of glitches out. The start menu is still transparent. Power has been moved down in here, as in all other builds of Windows 7 and Vista. All apps icon has changed, and if you recently download an app, there's a new pop-up that'll be right here. It'll say recently added, and it's now resizable by click and drag once again. It does that sometimes if you're in the start menu and you click out, your taskbar will disappear, but you just move your cursor down there and it will reappear. everything runs exactly the same as it has in any other build of Windows. The modern apps are still slow. They are always have been slow, but the beta apps actually launch faster than the actual full Windows 8 apps, and they have a new calendar, they have a new maps, and they have a new mail. They have a new solitary collection preview. Money has changed, I believe. News is newer. People is newer, even though it glitches out. You can't open people right now. It just doesn't work. Reader is exactly the same. Reading list is the same as it used to be. Scan is the same. Search has been updated. It really doesn't do anything though. Sports is new. They changed sports. Store beta is now blue. I guess they're going with the uniform lightish blue color for their apps. Travel is the same. They have the video preview. Weather is newer. And the Xbox app is the same. Let's see what else has been changed. Nothing much else really. Although it is weird that although every other app runs as if it's in Windows 8 or actually Windows 10, but SketchUp 2015 layout works, style builder works, but SketchUp, excuse me for the dogs, but SketchUp runs as if it's in Vista, and I don't know why, but it just adds a Vista overlay texture to it. Not a texture, but a skin, if you want to call it that. Settings has been updated. Gosh dang dogs. They now have in personalization. Gosh dang. Hush. You can now change your background picture and choose a fit in there. Colors, you can now change the colors. Automatically pick a color for my background. So color on taskbar and start menu. Make start menu transparent. They have the lock screen, which has been in there since Windows 8, but that was all you could change. And they have themes, which just sends you to control panel. Control panel is exactly the same. But in update and recovery, they have a new for developers option, but if I click on it, it always crashes anyways. Internet Explorer is the same. Project Spartan is the same. I'm trying to see what else has been changed. They did add a new colors to some of the apps. They have a more lighter, deeper, softer colors is the word I'm looking for. Softer colors that are easier on the eyes, in my opinion, than how bright the greens and blues were and purples were. As you can see here, the difference. In Windows 8, it's just a lot easier on the eyes with those colors. Everything else is pretty much the same as in previous builds. It's still like this. But if you full screen the start menu, I do believe it's glitching out for a second. Maybe it is glitching out. This is because of Bandicam, I suppose, because it normally doesn't do this whenever I'm not recording. A lot of the glitches don't occur, as you can see. Let's just give it a second. My time's almost over anyways, so I'm gonna have to go, guys. I'll show you this in another video, but thanks for watching. If you liked it, like it. If you disliked it, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see, and there it goes. But it's too late now. We're at 9:39 and I only have 10 minutes, so bye guys. Thanks for watching.